So guys, so I'm gonna place the headlight today. They came in, when was it, since Tuesday, so I've been looking forward to this. Okay, so I already took off the cover here. It had like these little, I don't even know what they're called. They look like those little push pins. I already took them all off. I think to release the grill is to take this off, the top screws, because that's the only thing I see screwed on the grill. I don't see anything else in between, so I'm guessing it's just those four and I can pull out. Okay, and then I still gotta take this off, that black little trim on top. So today I'll be putting in new headlights, and I'll be putting in new tail lights, a third brake light. Everything's gonna be LED, and these are the before. Jeez, they're trash, pretty terrible. Alright, let's get this done because I'm actually excited to do this. I've been waiting since Tuesday. Okay, so I got the grill off and the bumper pad off right here. Dude, that thing was a fucking pain in the ass. It feels like you're gonna break it, but you need to like pull it. And you just look at that. It was really gripped on, like it has never been taken off. I'm guessing that's why it was difficult. So to take that one off, you got a 7mm right here, and then there's one upside down on both sides, and you just pull it straight up. On the grill, it was these four, and then also the ones right here underneath the grill, underneath that bumper pad you can't get to. So I take off the bumper pad, you can get to these right there. They are 10. You are gonna need a socket extension. Yeah, it's a 10. And the ones on the side are 7mm. So these are the ones that go around the corner on the bumper pad. These are the holding the grill, 10. Now we're gonna take off these headlights. It looks pretty simple. It's just 1, 2, 3, and 4. Real simple to take off. It was just that bumper pad. Man, I felt like I was gonna break it. I'm about to buy another one, but no. So this is what it looks like right now with all that shit. Okay, let's take out the headlight so you can get the new headlight installed. Okay, I got the bolts off. It's 410s, like I said. This one was a little bit hard to get to, so I used I don't have a ratchet. I thought I had it, can't find it, so I just used the curved needle nose. These right here, and it worked. Can't believe it. It's because this bracket is in the way. You can see that, so you can't fit anything except a ratchet or that needle nose. Since I don't have a needle nose, I'm thinking I'm just gonna put a zip tie here, and just to hold it, because I'm not gonna be putting a screw. I was honestly thinking of cutting this with my multi-tool, just zip it through, you know. But I was able to get it off, and I didn't have to go to that extent. Now I guess we just like pick it up and the whole thing comes out. Okay, now I just need to disconnect all the harnesses. Everything here, you gotta take everything off. This is the high beam. No, this is the high beam. This is the low. Okay, I need to find a way to take this off. Damn, just looking at them right now, it looks clean. Look at that. That's nice, beautiful. Compared to these crusty shits. Damn, that's clean. Okay, turn it on real quick. Just the blinkers. See if the LEDs turn on. Damn. That's nice. Got one with these. Got these off of eBay for about $232. Sponsored by them. Just bought it with my own money. Man, it's nice. I am very, very impressed. Nice. There's your low beam, high beam. I'm gonna put it back together and then check it out how it looks. So put back. Hopefully it's a bit easier to put back, you know, taking it off. Jesus.